how to delete a TikTok story. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can delete TikTok story, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to delete your TikTok story, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok app, you want to come to the profile page here, and then you'll be able to see the story that you've added in the most recent at the top of the page. So you just want to make sure to tap on the story option here. Once you tap on the story, just tap the three dots option, and if you want to delete it, tap the trash icon right next to it in order to delete the story. And then once you've done that, just tap the delete option to delete it. Now if you want to repeat it, if you have added any of the other stories, you can repeat the process for all of the other stories. If you want to create a story too, you just want to make sure to tap the plus icon from the top of your profile picture, and then you'll be able to create a story. So this way you can add or delete stories to TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.